What's the best way to showcase a business idea? In this video, we'll explain what a business model canvas is, how to use it, how to customize our template to create your own, and if you watch until the end, you'll learn how LinkedIn uses a business model canvas to create and assess new business ideas. Our customizable template includes some of the best business model canvas tools available today, such as multiple canvas formats, RFM analysis, cost structure and revenue streams, key activities and resources, channels, and 25 other tools. A business model canvas is a shared language that's used to describe, visualize, and change a business model. In the business model generation, Alexander Osterwalder says that without a shared language, it's difficult to systematically challenge assumptions about one's business model and innovate successfully. The canvas is used to describe how a company creates, delivers, and captures value. This presentation comes with 5 versions of the business model canvas to fit your needs. A standard business model canvas is composed of 9 building blocks: key partners, key activities, key resources, value propositions, customer relationships, channels, customer segments, cost structures, and revenue streams. This version uses Post-it notes to organize the canvas. The user can easily copy-paste the notes to add more if needed. Each one can be filled in, thrown out, or replaced for a manageable way to try out new ideas. This is way more manageable than trying to use physical Post-it notes. Trust me. The Lean Business Model Canvas is most useful for startups who need to quickly generate and assess different plans, as it includes problem and solution sections to help compare alternative ideas. Stick to the end and we'll show you how LinkedIn can use a business model canvas to generate new ideas. Companies need to know who they plan to cater to before they can develop a relationship with their customers. That's where RFM analysis comes in. RFM stands for Recency, Frequency, and Monetary, and it's a unique framework to visualize demographic information. Customers are scored according to the recency of their engagement on the x-axis, with the frequency of their purchases or engagement on the y. 1 is a low frequency or recency, while 5 represents a high frequency or recency. For example, if someone had to score me on this chart according to my Diet Coke purchases, it would easily be a 5. Easily, in frequency and recency. By plotting customers on this chart, you can see their monetary value and their importance to your organization. It's a quantitative way to identify demographics in terms of how much money they can generate, as opposed to qualitative demographics like age or gender. Another effective way to quantify the customer relationship is with a customer satisfaction score. This score allows companies to see which methods or channels are most in demand. For example, according to these sample satisfaction scores, it would be wise to allocate less resources to email and phone support and allocate more to chat support. Another key part of a business model canvas is to break down the cost structure of your business. This cost structure tree diagram visualizes the expenses, COGS, and gross and net profits in relation to sales. Since some organizations may have more overhead expenses to visualize than others, users can add or delete as many of the pie charts as necessary. The revenue stream diagram here divides revenue between different sources. Each source or category is allotted a percentage with subcategories below each one. For example, a company like Apple might separate revenue streams into different types of physical goods and different kinds of services, while a company like Spotify might use ad revenue as one stream and subscriptions as another. Key activities are another important building block of the business canvas. Key activities can be separated into ongoing activities that are repeated on a recurring basis or one-off activities that need to be accomplished only a handful of times a year. Key resources are what make the key activities possible. Here, they're separated into physical, intellectual, human, and financial resources. Physical resources include everything from factories to equipment, while intellectual typically includes patents. Human includes all types of employees, and financial includes private capital, any subsidies, or grants. List the amount dedicated to each resource and the expected ROI of each. Users can leave any of these blank if they're unsure of the value yet. For example, since governments plan to invest more in new electric vehicle development over the next decade, a vehicle company might highlight government subsidies as a key financial resource. Keep watching to see how LinkedIn could show its own resources on our business model canvas. The last part of the business canvas we'll highlight are the channels. Channels cover how and where businesses deliver their value to customers. Distribution channels are where products or services can be sold. Each type of distribution can be compared here. Marketing channels are how companies get the word out and deliver the message or value proposition. A clear dashboard visualization is provided here. For a more detailed look at how to create a marketing plan to activate your marketing channels, check out our video on marketing plans. And finally, support channels are important to maintain post-sales relationships. A strong support channel provides a competitive advantage. Companies such as Slack or IBM are known for their ongoing support to customers, which is what keeps customers coming back. LinkedIn currently has over 650 million users from over 200 countries. LinkedIn's key partners include data centers to support the online platform, employers, universities, and educational course developers. LinkedIn's key activities include maintenance of its online platform, retaining its user base, and building partnerships. Its key resource is, of course, the online platform itself. LinkedIn has multiple customer segments: its community of users, employers in search of employees, and advertisers. Each of these segments has its own value proposition, which can be displayed on the canvas. For users, the proposition would be a way to easily display their skills to recruiters. For employers, it's a global and accessible database of candidates. For advertisers, it's an engaged audience and measurement tools. LinkedIn's biggest distribution channel is its website and mobile app, but its channels go beyond that, with support channels such as Sales Navigator and Sales Solutions that seek to maintain customer relationships. Maintaining these relationships with the user base through support channels is a key way that LinkedIn grows its online community and gains a competitive advantage. Its revenue streams include pay-per-click job postings, premium subscriptions, and marketing solutions. Each of these components can be listed out in the business model canvas and swapped in or out as they are evaluated for success. Want an easy-to-use business model canvas? Download the Business Model Canvas presentation for more slides such as key partner strategy, key partner evaluation, customer segmentation chart, value creation strategy, plus many more. And if you want more Business Canvas visualizations, go watch our video on our other Business Canvas collection. Thank you so much for watching.